The 2006 Jeep Commander. The Jeep Commander offers more capability over rugged terrain than most drivers will ever need. It can haul up to 7 people and a lot of stuff just about anywhere it can fit, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, 4-wheel ABS, air conditioning, driver lumbar, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, cruise control, keyless entry, front floor mats. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.